Hi, I'm Scott Meyers of Meyers Auto Tech. Lately here at the shop, we've been fixing too many broken cars. Breakdowns that maybe could have been prevented. Let me show you how. Your vehicle's cooling system, including your radiator, water pump, and hoses, are directly affected by the condition of your vehicle's coolant. Thorough pressure flush every 30,000 miles. Being sure to use the correct type fluid for your vehicle is the surest way we know of to prevent cooling system failures. That's your Meyers Auto Tech tip for today. Please give us a call, 735-8436.